Okay guys, so we're going to do stuff a little differently today. You are going to learn this entirely in a flip lesson. Go figure, I've gone the entire semester without being sick. The day Mr. Borg is gone, I get sick. But either way, I'll be here in 4th hour, 6th hour, I have to leave early for a basketball game. So what you're going to do today is you're going to kind of follow along. You're going to do some stuff on the computer to kind of look at some things. And then you are going to fill out the notes from this video. First thing I'm going to talk about is basic angle rotation. Positive angle measure is a counterclockwise rotation versus negative angle measure, which is a clockwise rotation. This may not be easy for you to do because you have seen digital clocks your entire life. But clockwise goes in that direction, counterclockwise goes against a clock. An analog clock is what I believe they're called. Now, I want you to take a few minutes and you're going to go through and fill out some definitions. You can look these up anywhere, but the best page that I've found is called mathopenref.com. I want you to find the definitions for each of these things I have circled. Arc length, central angle, that's it for page 1. On page 2, right at the top, you have radians. And then on page 3, you have a different one. This is called mathwarehouse.com. This is the actual page I want you to look up at reference angle on. I'm going to show you. This is going to get kind of choppy for a minute because I have to mess with the camera here. But I'm going to show you a minute here so you can see what it is that I want you to do. Okay. First of all, if I just go to my Chromebook and I type in, again, mathopenref.com, I'm going to open up that page, okay, and then I'm going to go to the search bar over here to the right, and I'm just going to type in the word arc, okay, because the first thing it wants me to do is do arc length. But if I type in arc, it will give me everything I need. Now, as it opens it up here, of course it's going to be slow, it's going to open up just about arc. But at the bottom of the page, there's a lot more things that I can look at. If this ever decides to load, you all must be doing the same thing at the same time. Anyways, on the third page, I talked about that Math Warehouse page. This is the Math Warehouse site. You're going to see stuff all about reference angles. I do want you to define it, and if you press this little button right here, it actually gives you, kind of looks like it's going to go to a different page. It's not. It'll give you click on the question mark, excuse me, and it will give you what it is. Okay, I want you to define that. Then I want you to go down here and just kind of look at this, what pictures it is, what it's talking about, and then see if you can make sense of it. It's actually a lot easier than you think, and I will talk about it. But go ahead and try a couple of these practice problems. You'll look at it, it'll ask you what it is. You can click on the button here, and it'll tell you what the short answer is. Same thing for problem 2 and problem 3, and that should be good enough. Don't worry about the rest. Okay. Back to MathOpenRef. For some reason, it doesn't want to open. Let's try it again here. So I typed in arc again, and it gives me a whole bunch of stuff here that really I don't want. I want to go down to the bottom here, and it gives me all these choices I can pick from. Down under arcs, it has arc length. That's the first one I want you to get. Up above, when it says angle is in a circle, central angle, that's another one I want you to get. Okay, and then I want you to actually look up the word radians as well. And that's not on this list, but again, you can go back up to the search bar and just type in the word radians. Do that for a few minutes, come back and join me. See you in a minute. That'll be on the next video.